Oh my god! They're shooting. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh my god! What the fuck? That motherfucker just power sliding to me. Hey, so my dumbass, way back when I put a timer in my fucking settings, to stop at 22 minutes, and, you didn't miss
Just listen
much.
to what
We're
I
right
say
here.
and move when I tell you. I'm gonna watch out for you.
Oh, okay.
I wish I could just kill.
Move.
Yeah. I shouldn't be here, man.
Go, quickly. Go. Stay low.
He's gonna get caught.
Okay,
This
now.
is crazy.
Go.
Oh my god!
Oh, fuck, bro. Fuck.
Relax. How old are you?
19. I'm 19, man.
Jesus. You're still a kid.
Grandma says I was always big for my age.
Oh no. I was gonna say, can I distract his ass? Oh.
Move ahead.
I'm going.
I hate these missions.
Now, go.
Okay. It ain't worth it, man.
Wait, can I? What the fuck?
I don't want to do
I did not mean to go in there. He's like right out there. Oh my gosh, a dumbass.
Okay, move.
Yeah.
Go, bitch, go.
Fuck, man. Fuck. What the fuck?
Move ahead.
Alright.
Move.
I don't want to do this.
Why are you hanging around with these assholes?
And my family. Well,
I wonder
I
who
thought
could
they
fix
were.
this.
You got family?
Yeah.
Kid?
No.
Yeah, this guy's out here.
Probably. Oh, shit, man. Don't make me laugh.
Yeah, that could be bad. Okay, move.
Yeah. Fuck, man. Fuck.
Go. Stay
Alright.
low. Okay, now.
It
Go.
ain't worth it,
I
man.
can't hack that shit. Why is motherfucker saying it ain't worth it?
Now.
They couldn't
go.
think of other lines for him. Oh, he's dead. Fuck! Oh, he's fucking dead. Oh, hell yeah.
You?
Probably.
Who?
Oh, shit, man. Don't make me laugh.
Yeah, that could be bad. Move it.
I'm going. I shouldn't be here, man.
The smarter it is, the more it's a piece of shit.
Oh my god, I almost.
Yo, who's
Go
doing that
quickly.
Yeah. This is crazy.
Oh, baby.
Move.
Alright. This is crazy, that door.
Yes,
Not
it's
no
this door.
invitation.
Just get close enough.
Only a rat can get in, man.
Hold up a sec. Need to look through your camera.
This motherfucker is gonna get shot or beaten. Can't wait. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum.
Why are you doing this, man? This ain't
Damn,
no
why he all
work.
of a sudden going so
It's
fast?
complicated.
We got
like a
plenty of
treadmill.
time.
Iraq was involved in something that hurt my family. I want answers.
That ain't so complicated.
Unlock the server. Ah, fuck! Hopefully it doesn't break or nothing. Wait. Ah, shit. I might be a dumbass. Oh, I am a dumbass. I'm surprised the timer didn't go out. What the hell?
Just give me a minute. I wasn't expecting this.
I told you, man. I told you ain't nobody but Iraq.
Quiet.
Ain't nobody. Hubba-la-hoo, hubba-la-hoo. Wait. So that has to stay there. Just, so I'll probably do the metal one first, probably? Oh, wait. Oh my god. I had to think about it. Oh, right there.
Computer's through there.
It doesn't even sound like he's saying computer. It sounds like he's saying Pierce is through there.
Cold, man.
Yeah, it's to cool the servers. Jesus, that's some serious hardware.
They're
There,
gonna find
get
him.
close.
Oh.
Shit.
What?
Just stay there.
Oh, ho, hee, ho.
Wait, that's not enough.
Who the
Go
fuck is
back.
that? He's dead. He's on. Oh my.
Hey, bro, what's this shit? No, it ain't what it look like. What it look like to you? Cause it look like a supersized fucking betrayal to me. How the fuck you even get in here? No, hold on. No, I love you, man. You know
He
that.
kills his own cousin. Oh my
Who
god.
wants you, Quinn? No, don't wait, man. Don't you lie to me. No, don't you fucking lie to my face. This how you repay me for taking you in. Come on, cuz, I look, we family. You know it wasn't me. He made me do it. What the fuck? It's real close.
Damn, we got him killed. Oh my god. Who would have guessed? You got this man killed. To be fair, he was in fucking Thug Life, so he was dead anyway.
Oh no.
That's his fault.
What just happened? You did everything right.
Looking, I want this bitch down. Nah.
You just
Oh.
murdered your cousin.
Man, damn.
Shit.
Killed?
Yes, you got. What the fuck?
I
Oh
didn't get much
shit.
data. I hope there's enough.
Oh fuck me. Oh no. No. Can I get a car?
Yo, back on it.
Yeah, thanks for the car.
Boy, hit this bitch hard.
Oh my god. They're shooting. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh my god! What the fuck? That motherfucker just power sliding to me. Oh my god.
Yo, I'm gonna try to spit him out.
I can't drive. I can't drive. Word. This is my weakness. Neutralize. How did the motherfucker back there crash? Oh my god!
Damn, he fucked up my whip.
Fuck out of my face.
I can ram him off the road.
Yeah, open gates.
We here now, babe. We'll help you get this pussy.
You're a pussy. Shut up. Damn, nobody's at that traffic light. What the hell?
I'm finna hit him hard. Watch it.
Like, oh, bitch. Boop! Power slide. We're going back. Get out of the way. Oh, I gotta sit up.
See him dodge this.
Oh my god, I'm so fucking horrible. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh what?
Yo, try to slam in for him. Let's see what he does.
Rich, save me!
Hell, get big on this motherfucker.
Oh. Oh, so we only got one car now.
We got your Fist, baby.
Oh,
Let's
fuck
do
the
it.
other one.
Making us look like fist. Ain't fine.
Holy shit, my car. Oh.
Gonna slam him, watch.
I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Oh! I just fucked myself. Oh my god. I just fucked myself severely.
That motherfucker just dipped his wheel.
Get in the boat. I can't get in. Ugh. I'm gonna die. They're gonna hit me. Holy shit. That was so bad. Holy shit. That was so bad.
Got your back, B.
Oh my god. Fuck off. There's no. They're gonna.
Get to walk away.
I see him. I see him coming. Oh. No way.
Damn, strong.
Oh. Oh. That shit was so
Tell
bad.
me you got something.
It was only a partial download, but I definitely got something. It looks like his computer is full of blackmail on everybody. Just listen to these fuller names. Police chief sex tape,
Oh.
CEO bribe, CTOS breaches.
Iraq's sitting on the most dangerous weapon in the city. No wonder the cops stay away. He's probably had a chat with the police chief. Can you see what's inside the folders?
Not yet. I'm trying.
Is there a folder for the Merlot?
Merlot. Yes, there is.
Good. I'll be there soon.
That oh, this is another fucking van. I thought it was gonna be something else. The screen was glitching. So was somebody fucking with us? Somebody else is getting in the way, maybe.
Hey, this thing's still.
Oh, he's alive?
Bug, you're alive.
What the hell?
You need to get out of there.
I am out. I just thought maybe I could help you get your answers. You know, about your family. That video we saw on the screen. Iraq asked me about it. Asked me what I knew about Rose Washington.
Rose Washington.
I don't know who she is, but that's the girl in the video. Iraq says she's dead.
Okay, thanks. That might help.
Yeah.
There's gonna be another fucking daughter or niece killed.
You and me? We done?
He needs somewhere to go.
You did good, Bedbug.
He's not gonna, you know. He's not gonna sleep. And if he sleeps, he's dead, so. Oh, fucking find it. God damn, I hate when they do that.
Made a lot of noise at Rossi Fremont.
Damien, shut your dumb ass up. Oh, fuck, we gotta go back.
Please give me good news.
Iraq's got dirt on a lot of people. His computer's full of it. Everybody from politicians to CTOS execs.
Oh, this rain.
The Merlot is in there, too.
I knew it.
Oh,
I told you it
yes.
was there.
It's encrypted. I don't have access to it, but that video we found at the Merlot, the woman's name is Rose Washington.
Rose Washington. I know that name. Wasn't she with CTOS? Aiden, you've hit pay dirt.
I followed your IP. Now give me my sister.
But we're just starting. That video is important to someone. Important enough to attack me, to attack your niece.
Careful, Damien.
Come on, I know you want to follow this to the end as much as I do.
That
Oh my
wasn't our
God.
deal.
Oh, but it was. You said it's encrypted. Then your job's not done.
No, you're not gonna do this.
I can do whatever I want.
Hey, it's me.
Nikki, how you doing?
I'm tired. They're taking care of me, I guess. Just come get me, please.
Okay, there's other people with you. All right, that's fine. Just be ready for anything. I'm coming to get you.
What if she wanted to stay there?
How's he doing?
He's a brave boy.
Takes after his mother, but he's stubborn like his bull-headed uncle.
Yeah, I guess he is. Doesn't take no for an answer.
Time's up. Ta-ta.
I put on both my headphones just so I could
Should've
hear this shit.
expected this from Damien. It's working an angle. We want something more. All right. One thing at a time. I'm gonna need the rest of Iraq's blackmail. Then I got leverage. And then I can deal with Damien.
Oh my god, I love the fucking rain. Oh my! Fucking skating off the stairs. What up, dude?
Everything all right?
I didn't get much. The upload was cut off.
Shit. I knew it. Okay. Have to find a way in myself.
Are you crazy? Even if you did get inside there, we can't read it. It's encrypted.
Well, what am I supposed to do? Damien has Nikki. Just tell him he can keep her?
Of course not. Of course. I'm not saying that. But he's playing you.
Yeah. I'm not gonna give him this before I know what it is.
One day I'm gonna put a bullet in his fucking brain.
I know that.
All right. Well, let's just deal with one problem at a time. All right? If I can get this information, can you decrypt it?
No, it's way beyond my skill.
Then who then?
Oh, then who? Who get another teammate? That's crazy.
What about that crazy guy? Tobias. He used to work here.
Okay, that's where we start then.
Okay, but we need to be discreet.
I know how to be discreet.
He just stares at her.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
Wow.
Raymond Kenny. It has to be him.
Who the fuck is that?
He was a software engineer hired for the CTO startup. He created the encryption. The creator always have a backdoor.
Wait, he can decrypt it?
Kenny is crazy good. I bet he built this room. He's a genius. No, I mean a legend.
I'm guessing legends aren't easy to find.
He's way off the grid. No one's heard of him.
Oh, way off the grid.
He's learning somewhere.
Okay, everyone has a history online. We start there. We get Kenny's last known point and work backwards.
He's been gone over a year. It's gonna take a while.
There. He's covered his tracks very well, but he's bounced through one location a few times.
So we trace it back and we find his location.
In theory, yes. You'll need to reach that point and connect me to the computer. I'll run a search from the bunker.
And we'll have Kenny.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Gotta find another dipshit to help us with the shit. Shit. I'll see you when I get there.
If we find Kenny, you need to be careful. He's a very dangerous man.
Dangerous, huh? What's his story?
He's a Bloom whistleblower or a cyber terrorist. Depends on who you ask. Delivered his message by blacking out most of New York State.
I remember that. 2003. Not just New York. That was
Holy
most of the
shit.
Northeast. Killed a couple of people.
He killed 11 people. They called it a software error.
What the hell was his message?
Kenny was trying to warn everyone. He didn't trust people inside Bloom. But I don't think he expected anyone to die. Now he's in hiding.
And we're about to find him.
The place you're going is the very end point of Raymond's last signal. Hackers hide their locations by routing their packets through botnets.
Yeah, it's a good trick. I've tried it myself. He's probably bounced his signal all across the globe.
We'll have a problem if that signal ends in China or some faraway country.
No, he's here. I don't care if he's gone off the grid. If this is Kenny's ex-Bloom, something tells me he wants to stay close to the action.
Maybe. But if he really was in Chicago, why is
That's
he been
like a
so
son.
quiet? He's not the kind of guy to just sit back and watch.
You said he killed those people. Must be a pretty price on his head. Good reason to stay underground.
Aiden, we might have a problem. I'm picking up a lot of chatter about Rem and Kenny.
That's strange timing. You said this guy's been dark for a year.
I I think we might have alerted someone.
Oh!
Signal.
So we'll have company waiting for us.
The fuck is that?
All right.
Do I enter one of these buildings? Oh. There's guys here! Wait, there's a camera right there. Why the fuck? Organizing children's parties. You seem like a nice guy, but I'm gonna kill you. No way, it's just him. There's probably like snipers on the roof or some shit.
No way.
You're real nice. Maybe I was looking at the wrong person. He's farming Black Ops, what the hell? Wait, who the fuck? Oh, I need that. I kinda need to do this more so I can know all the people that are around.
Could still be someone out there.
Unless this kills me too. Oh my! That could have killed me. That probably should have killed me.
Heads up.
Give me hands up. I'm nowhere to be seen. Oh, bitch. What's that on the table? I gotta pick that shit up. I gotta pick a lot of shit. I ain't see him. I can't see because they're fucking dark on dark.
Watch it, man. Fuck no. My gear's gonna blow.
Okay, we're done.
Shit. Someone's onto us, Clara. Let's make this quick. What am I looking for?
Connect me to the computer. I'll run a search from the bunker.
From the bunker. Gotta pick up all this shit. I need it. So I can blow somebody's stupid ass up.
Wow. Old school shit.
Ah, shit.
No wonder good cops can't shut the club down.
I just realized I'm way over time. Hey, bye.